Now, let's look at how to create a contact us page like this one over here. But if you look at carthq.co website, we don't really have a contact us section here. But I guess it will be important for you to have this, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it. But we have one problem. The problem is we are currently running WordPress from my computer, which means that by running my WordPress from my computer using Bitnami WordPress application, it is not possible for me to send an email out from my computer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to an online WordPress that I have over here called photog.com. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how to do the contact us page from this website. To access the contact us configuration page, go to front page sections and the contact us section. This is where you get to configure this contact us page. Let's just change this title to contact us. And you could have a subtitle over here if you want. Let's just put this. For the email address field over here, you just need to enter an email address which you want to receive all the messages from this contact us form. So if you're saying that your website is photog.com, so you have to create, say for example, an email address which is info@photog.com. Now please be careful about what email address that you want to use, because a lot of web hosting providers don't let you use those common popular email addresses such as those from Gmail, yahoo.com or Hotmail or live.com. So it's better that you always use your own email address from your own domain name. So now we're going to use info@photog.com. Now, the important part here is whether you want to use the Captcha or not. But firstly, we need to understand what is a Captcha. A Captcha, if you look at Wikipedia, essentially means it's an acronym for completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. That's quite a mouthful, but all you need to understand about Captcha is basically a function to differentiate whether you are a computer or a human. It's basically a test that pops up to determine that you are a person or not by showing you an image like this. Why it's using this kind of image is because robots nowadays are unable to determine what's the actual character behind this distorted image. So only our human eyes could see this. So that's the simplest way how a website could tell whether you are human or whether you are a robot that's been controlled by some kind of computer in order to send an email address, because they do not want to have some sort of a software that will just go into your website and keep sending emails out, which is more like a way to attack or a way to hack your website. So Captcha prevents that from happening. So you could always hide this Captcha by clicking here, or you could enable it. But then if you want to enable it, you need to create an account with Google to enable this Captcha function over here. So to create a Captcha function, you need to register with Google via its reCAPTCHA API. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's just choose this Captcha version, and the domain name is my domain photog.com, and accept this and click register. So next, I need to add this site key on my website. Just copy it, return to my website, and paste it here. Then I need to do the same for the secret key. So once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and save it. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and publish my changes. Then I'll return to my home page and click refresh to see the changes. So now you can see a reCAPTCHA box over here. Let's go ahead and test this function. Check this reCAPTCHA box. Good. And click send message. Great. So I should have an email message going into my info@photogear.com's mailbox. This is the mailbox for info@photogear.com email, and I got the message that I just sent. And it looks something like this.